If Microsoft Edge is giving you an authentication error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a great troubleshooting method if Edge keeps asking you to sign in, won't load your account properly, or fails when trying to access websites and services that require authentication. We're going to clear the browser data, sign out and sign back in, and then update Microsoft Edge to make sure everything is running correctly. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once it's open, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, you want to make sure you're clearing the cookies and cache. These stored files can often cause sign-in problems or broken authentication sessions, especially if something becomes outdated or corrupted. Select the options for cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. If you want to keep things simple, you can also choose the time range to clear everything from the beginning, which gives you the cleanest reset. After selecting the right options, click Clear Now. Once the process finishes, give Edge a moment to fully refresh. Now the next step is to sign out and sign back in again. This helps reset your account session inside the browser and can fix authentication issues tied to your Microsoft profile. To do that, click the profile icon in the top right corner of Edge. If you're signed in with a Microsoft account, choose to sign out. Then close the browser completely, reopen Microsoft Edge, and sign in again using the same account. Make sure you enter the correct credentials and wait for the browser to fully sync your profile. In many cases, this alone can fix the authentication error because it reconnects Edge to your account and restores the login session properly. If the problem still continues, the next thing you should do is update Microsoft Edge. An outdated browser can cause compatibility problems, login errors, and security issues that interfere with authentication. To update it, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Edge. Go to Help and Feedback, then select About Microsoft Edge. Edge will automatically check for updates and begin downloading the latest version if one is available. Let it finish updating completely and then restart the browser when prompted. After the restart, try signing in or visiting the page that was causing the authentication error again. In most cases, one of these three steps will solve the issue: clearing cookies and cache, signing out and back in, or updating Edge to the latest version. If you're still having trouble after that, it may help to restart your computer and try again, but these steps usually fix the most common authentication problems very quickly. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.